Hello my little ones, how are you all? Welcome to the e-learning class. Today for class nursery subject GK, and you can guess from the picture which is our topic. Can you see? Lovely birds. Yes, today we are going to learn about all the different kinds of birds. Which bird is this? Peacock. Yes, this is the colorful peacock, blue and green color, and see how it dances when the rain comes. And this is special peacock, white color. It is very rare to see, but it looks very beautiful. See how beautiful it is dancing. This is white peacock. This is colorful peacock. And do you know, children? Peacock is our national bird. Like tiger is our national animal, peacock is our national bird. Let's see the next one. This is sparrow. Yes, what does sparrow do? Have you heard this sound? Chirping sound? Yes, a small cute bird, sparrow. We often see near our houses. Okay, this is sparrow. Next is hen. What does hen give us? Eggs. Yes, this is hen. And next is cock. This is the male. Okay, female is called hen and the male one is called cock. And what does the cock do? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Have you heard? Yes, this is cock. This is female hen and this is male called cock. Okay children, remember them. Black color bird, crow. What does crow say? Caw, caw. Okay, and it eats flesh also, dead animals also, and food also. If we put rice, other things also, it eats both. This is black color crow. Okay children, which bird is this? Black color crow. Yes. Next is pigeon. Yes. Which bird is this? Pigeon. And see the neck here. Which color? It has a shiny neck. Green and pink color, little purple type. Okay, this is pigeon. And what does pigeon say? Guturgu, guturgu. Yes, have you ever heard? This is pigeon. Next is owl. Which bird is this? Owl. It can see in dark at night time only. Okay, which bird is this? Owl. Which bird? Repeat after me. Owl. Next is quail. This bird is called quail and there are different colors also. Some are green color, black color, yellow color. Okay, very beautiful colors of quail. This is which bird? Quail. Repeat after me. Quail. What comes in the mind first? Parrot. Yes, this is not a parrot but similar to that, and this is called macaw. Which bird? Macaw. And it is, how it is different from parrot? It has long tail and it is very colorful. See, yellow color, green color, red color. It also talks like a human being. It does the mimicry of humans. Okay, as we say, same to same, this bird macaw says. Okay, for 1 second we feel like that is the human speaking. It is so nice in mimicry. Which bird is this? Macaw. Now here comes the parrot. Yes, parrot is which color? Green color, and its beak is of red color. And what does parrot like to eat? Do you know? Guava. Guava is the favorite fruit, favorite food of parrot. And next is green chilies. Red chilies also, green chilies also, but these both are the favorites of parrot. Guava and chili. Which bird is this? Parrot. Repeat after me. Parrot. And it is green in color. Yes. Next is lovely cute duck. D for duck. See how duck is walking. Duck also swims in water. And what does duck say? Quack, quack. What does duck say? Quack, quack. Which bird is this? Duck. Yes. Next is hawk. Which bird is this? Hawk. And it has a very pointed beak. It eats the flesh of dead animals. Okay, this is hawk. This is which bird? Hawk. Repeat after me. Hawk. Let's move further. This is kite. Which bird? Kite. And there are many colors of kite. Black color also kite, colorful also, white color also, and it is a very good hunter. It catches its prey very fast, and it also has a very pointed beak like hawk. Which bird is this? Kite. Yes, see how it flies in the sky like a kite. This is kite. I hope you all have understood and you all will remember all the birds we have learned today. Okay, let's have a quick revision. Which birds did we learn today? Peacock. Peacock is the national bird. Then pigeon, hen, cock, crow, kite, hawk, parrot, macaw. Okay children, now remember all these birds properly and send the oral question answers. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.